Thank you. And also, I thank you.
Mga kitses, hinatid ko ngayong alaga ko and then isang oras pa ako mag-aantay sa kanya. So naglibot-libot muna ako dito, naisipan kong bumili ako ng regalo ng alaga kong si Tingting kasi malapit na yung birthday niya. So ayan yung binili ko, ang pinili ko sa kanya, yung malaking Pokemon kasi mahilig sa Pokemon. At dahil nakabili na nga ako, so babalikan na natin si Charlotte. Mga kitses, kinuha ko na si Charlotte and pauwi na kami.
I just want to buy those candles.
Did you buy what? What is that? Gusto daw niya bumili ng ganito. Which one? Wait. What is that? Camera?
No.
Ayan, binili nga namin to.
This can remove.
What remove? And then, what's this? If you remove that, I will hold.
This can open the light.
And then,
We can see brightly.
and then,
This can change another.
oh. You gonna? Charlotte, come here. You take that and then you give to Teng-Teng. This is. Very big, right? It's you for Teng-Teng. Yan, pahawak ko muna sa kanya. Yung kay Charlotte, I give you already like this pink one when you are 2 years old.
Think what?
Pink one.
Better.
You still have in the mommy room. You see later.
Elsa?
It's not Elsa, like, I don't know what is that. How to
The
call-
bunny?
Yeah, I think. The pink one.
Oh, the bunny.
When you're 2 years old. So you see you're 6 years old now, so 4 years. Pauwi na nga kami. Give to Teng-Teng, okay? Wait.
Ding dang! Ding dang! Ito something like that. Wow, Pikachu!
Only my gift, this my gift for him. Teng-Teng, do you like it? Do you like it?
His favorite is the... How about he sit on the...
What's with me?
Thank you, Tita.
Kiss me.
Thank you, Tita.
And ito yung kay Charlotte nung 2 years old.
Okay.
2 years
Thank
old.
you, thank you. I will help you open the light.